Hey guys, I've got some potatoes here and I'm just gonna cut them in two and dice them like this. I've got an onion and I'm just gonna dice it up, and a nice bushy fresh bundle of kale. Gotta have the kale. And I'm just gonna cut them in bite-sized pieces like this. Yummy. And I'm going to use a half a pack of bacon, and I'm just going to dice that up too. And I'm going to use this sausage, which is amazing. It's gluten-free, no preservatives, chicken, and I just love this. It is so good. It's just seasoned up perfect. If you can get your hands on this and you like sausage, it'll change your life. So, so good. I'm just gonna butter my pan. Put my onions in. I use this garlic because it's just simple. I'm gonna use 4 heaping tablespoons of garlic. And I'm just gonna caramelize these. Oh my gosh, it's smelling so good. Now I'm just gonna add 6 cups of water, 4 cups of broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable. And I'm gonna add my potatoes. Shift that around. And I'm just gonna put a lid on it and let that cook. Start making my bacon, sausage. This is just seasoned to perfection. I'm gonna add some pepper to this, some garlic herb, and of course pepper to the bacon. Bacon's done. It looks delicious. Smells so good. Sausage is cooking. I can't even stress to you guys how good this sausage is. It's just humming right now. I'm going to put 1 cup whipping cream. If you don't want to use whipping cream, you can use unsweetened coconut milk for substitution if you want. The potatoes are done, and I'm just going to shift that in there. My whipping cream. I'm going to add the bacon, this sausage, add the kale, and I'm just going to start dishing it up for the fam. Smells so good in here. Some broth going. And I'm just gonna add some Parmesan cheese to the top. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am definitely going to dig in. This soup is going to get it. I will see you guys in my next video.